If you're a business owner and you've been thinking about moving out of your current location and building one of these flex spaces for yourself, let me tell you what, there's an easy system. There's an easy way for you to be able to actually build one of these multi-tenant buildings to where you can occupy some of the space and you can lease out the rest to where the rental income pays off any debt that you may have on this type of building. My name is Hamza. I build these multi-tenant flex spaces all over America, and I actually started building these with an idea that I had. The idea was that I had a local automotive business that I actually needed space for. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna build a building. I'm gonna occupy half of the building for my automotive needs and the other half I will lease out. The money that I get for rent, I was gonna use it to pay off the mortgage for the entire building. The process is easy. You can even get an SBA loan, an SBA 7A loan, in order to develop one of these as long as you have an existing business. If you're interested in starting something like this, or you have a business and you're looking for land and you want to get started and you want to learn the entire process, click on the link below, talk to someone on my team, and they will walk you through exactly what you need in order to get started.